Hey guys, so today I'm going to review Samsung Experience on Jeep Z2 Plus. So this Samsung Experience ROM is based on Android 8.1 and it is a typical Samsung Experience ROM which does have the modification over TouchWiz, and it is around just one step away from One UI. It looks well. The designs and icons are quite well, and definitely you will like them. The thing is, there are some good features around when you go on the left side, and there is no app drawer in between. If you swipe up, you will see the suggested apps right here, as you can see. Now let me show you the features which are available on the home screen. Now you press on it, as you can see, wallpapers, themes, widgets and home settings. So there are some default wallpapers available. If you click on them, you will be able to preview them. Let me select this one, and as you can see, you are able to preview them. So this is kind of a good options because you don't get this kind of options on Android Pie or any other stock ROMs. That is, you won't be able to preview the wallpapers before applying them. So now as you can see, these were the features about that. Go to themes. Right now I'm not able to download any other themes, so this is the only default theme available. Now go to widgets. Just let me go to widgets. So these are the widgets available according to the applications you have installed on your smartphone. So go to home settings, and there are not much options to play with. There is actually wait. Okay, so this is quick swipe up. If you actually swipe down from any portion on the home screen, the notification bar will pull down. If you disable it, if you swipe down or swipe up, the suggested apps will appear. Now if you click on it again, and as you can see, if you enable it, you will be able to use the quick swipe feature. And now so these are the kind of options available. The icons look quite great. So now talk about the notification panel. Let me just adjust the focus and exposure. So now as you're able to see, these are the icons available on the notification panel. They're quite well and simplistic. As you can see, they're according to the name, like settings is available according to the wheel it has, and Wi-Fi and other icons are quite well and quite good. So they look simplistic, and they are eye pleasing. So now there are some other features available which you can add in the panel. So now you will be able to change the configuration of this notification panel, and now you click on it. You click on the button grid. As you can see, 3 to 3, 4 to 3 and 5 to 3 options available, and you can use anyone according to your convenience. Let me go for the 5 into 3, and as you can see, you are able to preview them before using them. So now as you can see, now able to use the 5 into 3, like 5 in row and 3 in columns. So this quite looks good, and as you can see, you can actually change the same card you use from the notification panel itself for calling, text messages and mobile data. So let me show you some of the features around. Like as you can see, the icons are quite well, but there is a problem. Like when you see the name, they are cut off. Like there is a cut in between. As you can see, thumbnail maker, ES file explorer. You can see they are not written perfectly. WhatsApp business. So the icons look quite well, but they are not very quite sharp. Like as you can see, there are white spots, white grid lines, and around the icon itself. I mean, as you can see, it is there for the MX player. So now talk about the connectivity. There is no connectivity issues. Just there is a only connectivity issues. There is the Wi-Fi one. So now talk about, as you can see, you can actually generate a QR code for your hotspot, and people can actually scan this QR code and connect to your Wi-Fi. You don't need to enter your password. So there is only one bug in this smartphone for the connectivity point, that is Wi-Fi. You won't be able to this ROM won't be able to actually tell you if you have a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. So I don't know why it happens, but it does. And now your fingerprint scanner works well. You click on it, and it does take around a second to actually respond, but it's fine. So the whole ROM is quite fine. There is some bit of lagginess and bit of force stops in between, which I should say they are negligible, but fine. So now talk about the camera which I use on this smartphone is the open camera application. So I actually tried to install Gcam 6.1, but actually it was just for Android Pie, and the Android version on this ROM is 8.1. So I was not able to install that, but there was a version which I haven't installed right now. There is Pixel 3's mode, which is actually based on which can be used on Android 8.1 and Android Pie board. So I will just link the camera application in the description below. So right now I am not able to find the application, so I actually try to see if I had that application around, but I was not able to find APK. So the thing is, I will try to download the application and will link it in the description below. So actually you will be able to use it on both Android Pie and Android 8.1. And as you can see, let me show you the one which I was not able to install. So NT 6.0 is the one which I am not able to install on this smartphone. So this is the one which you might not be able to install on your smartphone. So now talk about the Android benchmark which on the smartphone. There was actually a bug while if you actually try to, as you can see, this is the bug. Android benchmark has stopped. So this is a bug while you will try to actually start your benchmark application, and you won't be able to actually use the benchmark, and same goes for Quora, because the Android system web view actually crashes while you try to open Quora. Now talk about Geek benchmark 1450 and 3765 are the single multi-score for the smartphone, which are quite fine, and the performance according to that is quite fine. So I'll upload the part 2 around this week, so stay tuned for that. So now do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please do comment down below which type of videos do you want to watch next, and thank you for watching.